Gambling in Brimbank is a really serious problem. For example, in 2021 alone, a total of $128 million was lost from gaming machines in Brimbank.
Unfortunately, Brimbank has the highest losses from electronic gaming machines in Victoria. So we know it's a big issue in our community and we don't have a choice but to address it in some way. So libraries are the perfect alternative space that's safe, that's comfortable, and Libraries After Dark is a great initiative because it allows for that.
Libraries are definitely more these days than collections and books. We're actually offering Libraries After Dark programs at all of our 5 branches now. We decided to share out the Libraries After Dark opportunities far and wide across our libraries to make sure that everyone, no matter where they lived, in which neighbourhood, had the opportunity to get involved and participate. Our library members have told us they've really appreciated taking part in the evening programs, learning something new and having the opportunity to have a creative outlet. I found it really rewarding being involved in Libraries After Dark, and it's been really lovely to see our participants having a ball, and some nights we've even had trouble closing up because they just want to keep on chatting. And it's been just great being able to bring that and have people come along and get stuck into all sorts of activities that they haven't had the opportunity to before.